How to enter 1098T on H&R Block. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to the official website of H&R Block. Once you land to the official website, at the right corner you will find this login section. Provide your credentials and log in to your account. Type in the username, email or phone number. Once you type in, click on Sign In. Now type in your password and click on Sign In. With that, you will be logged into your H&R Block account. After you log in, navigate to the Deductions and Credit section and look for the Education Expenses area. Enter 1098T details. Select Yes when asked if you have a Form 1098T. Now enter the details from your form including school information, student ID, tuition paid, and any scholarships or grants. Answer any additional questions to determine your eligibility for education credits like the American Opportunity Credit or Lifetime Learning Credit. Now double-check the information for accuracy, then continue with the rest of your tax return. Once you have completed all sections, you are ready to file your return either electronically or by mail. And that's it. This is how you can easily enter 1098T on H&R Block account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.